your freehand drawings, how do we going to get from this, after we read our constraints and stuff, how to go from this to a plan, and then give it to your freehand drawing. Okay, so first of all, you have to write down everything. So ons gaan alles neerskryf, ons gaan hier af na jou, van na plan toe gaan. So ons moet eers het papier uitvier, hoe gaan ons dit maak, voor ons na die finale vrye plan toe kan gaan. Okay, so as ons nou eers kyk, ons kyk na al ons klaskamers, ons 2 klaskamers nodig, wat 70 vierkante meter is, elk, so jy kan daar besluit van hoeveel moet dit wees, so hulle gaan saam 140 wees, so jy kan hulle sê maar, wat 70 is 10 by 7, so ons maak het 10 by 7, so jy kan basies, as ons sê, okay, ons moet 2 klaskamers hê, reg? Okay, hulle moet mekaar raak, reg? En dan sê ons, okay, hulle moet elkeen 70, so hulle is, so kom ons maak hierdie kant 10, en ons gaan daar 7 maak, so 7 en 10, reg? Ons kan nou nie so lekker groot vensters op deure insit, ons gaan het skuifdeur maak, ons kan later besluit hoe groot ons het wil maak, en ons gaan hier so ingebouwde kaste insit, en nou dat sê ons moet lekker groot vensters hierin het, so ons gaan hier lekker groot vensters insit, so we don't put big windows in here, so they say, so that's 7 by 10, that's our 2 classrooms, this will be our dividing wall thing that's going to open up later on to open that as a big one. Okay, we're going to have 2 big doors here, we're going to have our built-in cupboards there, and then what do we still need to add? So we have to eat toilets on the one side, so we said that toilet is going to be about 8 meter by 3.5 meters, so basically we can do 8 meters would be about, so that's 10, 8 will be about there, and then 3.5 will be about half of that, around about there, that size, should be around about that size, so this will be 3.5, 3.5, and this is going to be 7 meters, okay. We can, just to make it easier, we're going to put our toilets in here, so we need 4 ladies toilets, we're going to need 3 boys toilets, we're going to need 2 basins, basically here and here maybe, we can put a door in here, the boys bathroom, we can put urinals here, 2 urinals, and maybe 2 basins on this side, and we can put a door on this side. Okay, we'll figure that out later on. So this will be our 7 meters. Okay, and then on the other side, we're going to have our kitchen. If you have a look, the kitchen size is basically 30 square meters. That's about 5 by 6. So basically it will be half and a bit longer. Around about that size, I think. Let's make it 5 by 6 for now. Yeah, it's 6 meters. Okay, and then we're going to put the kitchen in here. Let's divide this up. Kitchen is 3 by 5 meters, so basically that's a 5 meters, and you're going to have basically 3 meters here, so it's halfway of the kitchen there. We can put in the door on this side, can put the door for that on this side, and then we need a 2 by 3. So basically that was left here is, this is 3 meters, we just need 2 meters in here. So what we can do is just make it slightly bigger, so we can make it 3 by 3. So we do this 5 meters, so basically it will go up to there. Okay, and then we will add in a door in here as well. And we can say we can put the windows in there, we're going to put a window in there, we're going to put a window there, maybe a window in front here. Okay, for this we're going to put maybe windows there, maybe 2 windows on here. Then we're going to need a window there and maybe one in front here to have space. We can put one there as well. Okay. And then our play over here, we can make a bit of, say, paving in front here. Let's make that 2 meters. Okay. So now we've got all that basically we're going to do here. So now we're going to convert this onto our plan itself. So that is just your planning for it. It's not your final freehand drawing. Okay, so that is not the freehand drawing for the final. This is just the planning one.